The shooting star pattern is one of the ancient ways but still pro traders implement to their trading style to date. When the shooting star appears on a resistance, price normally reverses to the downside. Now look at how the pattern is and how it behaves. We have this long wick here at the top, another wick here. These wicks at the top indicate that there's more selling pressure on the resistance that price has approached to. One thing about the shooting star is it doesn't matter the color. Once it appears on a resistance, that means price is likely to drop to the downside. When you take the bullish shooting star, we have this place to be the high of the candle and this area to be the low of the candle. Then we have market open down here, push up to this area here and close around here, just like the way normal candlestick behave. Then when you take this red candle here, we have the high at the top, we have the low down below here, and then we have the close because price open at the top here, push all the way to the downside and close down here. Okay, so this is the shooting star candlestick. Now let's talk about how to trade this. We trade the shooting star candle when price approaches a resistance level. Look at the reaction of price here when price was pushing to the upside. When price was pushing to the upside at this place. Look at the momentum of candles that was approaching the zone. But when price got into the zone, what did we see at the top there? We saw a shooting star form at the top here. So anytime shooting star appears on a resistance, the next candlestick will form will let you know whether price will react to the zone or the zone is going to break. Now you can see with this one, when price approached the zone, shooting star was formed. The next candlestick was a strong bearish candle. Take your trade from there. Stop loss will be above the shooting star. Then you target 1:2 or 1:3. You can see this trade would have been a perfect trade. Shooting star candlestick is not traded alone. It is used in conjunction with other confluences. That is price action, either moving average or other confluence. One thing you need to know is first you need to identify the level that price is approaching, and anytime price approaches the level, then you find your shooting star at that level and the next candle to appear next to the shooting star. That will be as a confirmation for that shooting star to stand. Now let's take this Apple stock for example. We saw how price was behaving around this place. Price was pushing up. You can see it was creating higher highs, higher low, higher high. And when price approached the resistance there, what happened on that resistance? That is where we saw the shooting star pattern form at the top of the resistance. And I always say this, if price approach a resistance and the shooting star forms, the next thing for indication is the candle to form next to the shooting star. So we can see we have a shooting star at the top here that was perfectly formed. And what we are looking for is the next candlestick to form after the shooting star. And if it's a strong bearish candlestick, that indicates for more sales. And you can see with this one, the candlestick too was a strong bearish candlestick. So that will be an entry there. The stop loss should be here. And then target 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3. Shooting stars are used in conjunction with other things. That is the structure of the market, the pattern of the market, and whatever price is printing. Don't just take trade when price approach a resistance and you see a shooting star. Use it in addition to other confirmations when you are trading. So this is how to use shooting star in addition to your trading style as pro traders are still using. Subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.